Honourable Minister for Infrastructure, Meteorological Service, Lands, Mineral Resources, Honourable Tony Sumate, the Acting Vice Chancellor of the Fiji National University, Dr. Wiliame, and the FNU Council, Director of the National Training Productivity Centre, Dr. Katonivere, members of the 2021 Fiji Excellence Award Panel of Review, members of the Diplomatic Corps, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, Mio Sambulare. I'm indeed very grateful for the invitation extended by the Vice Chancellor of the Fiji National University to address the 22nd Fiji Business Excellence Award. Tonight, we celebrate the achievements of organizations in both public and private sectors that have attained exceptional levels of business excellence. These organizations have distinguished themselves through outstanding management practices to champion innovation, bring out the best in employees, and endeavor to deliver superior performances. Ladies and gentlemen, the Fiji Business Excellence Award was an inspiration of the government, employers and worker unions that collaborated to draw up a strategic plan for Fiji's productivity movement more than 20 years ago. It is a result of a series of successful forward-thinking and excellence-driven roundtable discussions held back then to implement and adopt a business excellence framework for Fiji into the Productivity Charter of 1995, which was later reviewed in 2005. Business excellence is an essential tool for organizations to strengthen their capabilities and processes, and companies can adopt the Business Excellence Framework assessment tools to identify strengths and areas of improvement and then act on those through a systematic approach to improve business performance. The Fiji Business Excellence Framework and criteria play an important role in strengthening Fiji's competitiveness on a global level, which is of paramount importance in remaining relevant in an ever-changing business landscape. It has assisted many Fijian organizations in improving the organizational process, capabilities, and results, which can be benchmarked against the best practices of leading global organizations in their respective sectors. The Business Excellence Framework helps companies address critical organizational needs related to long-term success and sustainability by strengthening the business fundamentals such as leadership, strategic planning, management, analysis, and knowledge management, workforce focus, customer and operation focus. Since its launch in 1998, with the first 3 applicants being recognized in 1999, to the 16 organizations recognized in 2019, the Fiji Business Excellence Award has continued to grow more successful, with a total of 11 organizations being recognized tonight. To date, there is a total of 272 awards that has been presented and around 131 applicants over the last 21 years. Participation has been beneficial for these organizations in the awards process, and they have continued to use the awards framework as an organizational self-assessment tool. To our leaders in the various sectors, regardless of your situation or structure, you need an innovative organizational system to survive in the future. COVID-19 is a harsh wake-up for us all, particularly business and the new way of doing business. The Fiji Business Excellence Award Framework is designed to provide senior managers with a holistic method to approach business management and formulate key decisions that lead to the adaptability, the sustainability, and measurable success. Fiji, much like the rest of the world, is emerging from an unprecedented challenges of a global pandemic with renewed determination and optimism. After almost 2 full years of weathering the pandemic, and I commend the nation on the success of the vaccination efforts of over 90% of adults being vaccinated. Our nation's successful vaccination effort has led to the reopening of our national borders and receiving tourists and a promising economic recovery. We cannot let our guards down. As responsible citizens of our beloved country, we need to embrace a society-wide promotion and compliance with COVID safety measures to mitigate any drastic impact should a potential third wave occur. On Wednesday, December the 1st, 2021, Fiji Airways plane arrived with returning locals and international tourists that received a grand welcome at the Nadi International Airport. Fiji's global campaign, with Open for Happiness, is the message Tourism Fiji and its stakeholders have been promoting to the holidaymakers across all our travel partner countries. The arrival of our international visitors is a boost for our effort towards economic recovery, and we have paved the way to a new normalcy. Now we must walk together and resume Fiji's service as the hub of tourism, of finance, hub of communication and business, and a transportation for our Blue Pacific. Ladies and gentlemen, at this juncture, I wish to congratulate the National Training Productivity Center on its 22 years of achievement on the Sustainability of Business Excellence program in the country. Only Singapore has achieved such a milestone, and it gives me great pride to acknowledge that Fiji is only second to achieve such feat. I am reliably informed that the Fiji Business Excellence Award was cancelled for the first time in 2020 due to COVID-19. However, this situation presented the Secretariat and the panel review an opportunity to review its strategy and be innovative in its approach for the 2021 Fiji Business Excellence Award process, and for the first time had implemented a virtual evaluation process. It would be rather amiss of me not to commend the work of the award secretariat under the leadership of Professor Wilkinson and the management of the awards program by Dr. Isimeli Katonivere and his team. Similarly, I wish to commend the hard work and commitment of the panel of review members for their efforts and guidance in ensuring the integrity, neutrality, and competency of the awards is upheld and preserved. To the evaluators who continue to make valuable contributions to the Fiji Business Excellence Award, well done and keep it up. Tonight, we acknowledge and celebrate resilience and resolve our people and the organization for continuing their journey to excellence. We equally commemorate the 22nd year of this prestigious award, which is an achievement that we as a nation should be proud of. The Fiji Business Excellence is part of a global family of awards that is recognized internationally as most rigorous business awards program in the world. It communicates a commitment to high business standards and support for successful businesses in supporting government's effort in improving the Fijian economy, especially during the reopening phases for business and the opening of international borders for tourism. In conclusion, I congratulate this year's award winners for through your commitment to your respective business excellence journey, regardless of revenue size or industry sector. Your achievements are a clear demonstration of the importance of developing strong fundamentals for future growth. As we strive towards overcoming today's challenges and seizing tomorrow's opportunities, I hope the success stories of tonight's award winners shall motivate leaders and organizations to join the business excellence journey and leverage business excellence to yet another level to compete effectively in the economy. It's the only way to remain relevant in a world where customers are well informed and preference is ever changing. Let us work together to raise the standard of business excellence and delivery that will in due course improve the standard of all living Fijians. While it's still early in our celebration, I would like to wish you all present here tonight, your families, a Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year. Ladies and gentlemen, may the Almighty God bless you all and may God bless Fiji. Pinakawa and thank you.
The Achievement in Business Excellence Award category for 2021 is... Please put your hands together for Sugarcane Growers Fund. Congratulations to Sugarcane Growers Fund, and to receive the award is CEO Mr. Raj Sharma. The first recipient of the 2021 Fiji Business Excellence Prize Award is... Please put your hands together for Office of the Auditor General. Congratulations to the Office of the Auditor General. The second recipient of the 2021 Fiji Business Excellence Prize Award is... Please put your hands together for Post Fiji Limited. Congratulations to Post Fiji Limited. And to receive the award is the CEO, Mr. Aniruddha Bansod, and the team. It's a big moment for them. Congratulations to Fiji, Post Fiji Limited. I have the pleasure of inviting Madam First Lady to join His Excellency onto the stage and to receive a token of appreciation of gracing this event as chief guest and for doing the honors in presenting the awards tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, please show appreciation in accepting the gift of His Excellency, and also we have a gift for the Madam First Lady.